Problem: equal weights are attached to two wires of the same metal. The length and diameter of one wire is 1.5 times that of the other. Calculate the ratio of their extensions. Analysis. Let us start with the analysis of the problem. This problem is related to the topic of elasticity. When the external force is applied to the elastic wire, its length changes. The extensions in the wire is proportional to the applied force. In this problem, we are asked to find out the ratio of extensions of two wires and not the actual values of extensions. We will use Young's modulus to solve this problem because the Young's modulus relates the weight, length, diameter and the extension of the wire by the equation. Y equals mg into L whole upon pi d square upon 4 into L. As the two wires are made up of the same material, their Young's modulus is the same. Hence, writing two equations of Young's modulus for two different wires and equating them, we can find the ratio of extensions of the wires. Solution. Now, let us take the necessary steps to solve the problem. First, we write the parameters corresponding to the two wires as M1G is the weight applied to the first wire, L1 is the length of the first wire, a small L1 is the extension produced in the first wire, D1 is the diameter of the first wire, and Y1 is the Young's modulus of the first wire. Similarly, let us write the parameters of the second wire. M2G is the weight of the applied force to the second wire. L2 is the length of the second wire. A small L2 is the extension produced in the second wire. D2 is the diameter of the second wire and Y2 is the Young's modulus of the second wire. Now let us write the equations of Young's modulus for both the wires as Y1 equals M1G into L1 upon pi d1 square upon 4 into small l1. Similarly, y2 equals m2g l2 upon pi d2 square upon 4 into l2. As the two wires are made up of the same material, their Young's modulus is the same, and therefore we can equate the above two equations to get m1g l1 upon pi d1 square upon 4 into small l1 equal to m2g l2 upon pi d2 square upon 4 into l2. Solving for the ratio of small l1 upon small l2, that is extension in the first wire upon extension in the second wire, we get m1g l1 upon pi d1 square upon 4 into pi d2 square upon 4 whole upon m2g l2, and that is equal to small l1 upon small l2. The weights applied to the two wires is the same, and therefore m1g equals m2g. Substituting this value, we get L1 upon pi d1 square upon 4 into pi d2 square upon 4 and total upon L2, and that is equal to small l1 upon small l2. Further simplification gives capital L1 upon d1 square into d2 square upon capital L2, and that is equal to small l1 upon small l2. It is also given in the problem that d1 is equal to 1.5 into d2. Similarly, it is also given that capital L1 is equal to 1.5 into capital L2. Substituting these values of d1 and L1 in the equation, we get 1.5 into L2 upon 1.5 d2 the whole square into d2 square upon L2, and that is equal to small l1 upon small l2. Further simplification gives 1 upon 1.5 is equal to small l1 upon small l2. Hence, the ratio of extensions of two wires is 1:1.5. Thus, we have solved the problem and obtained the required ratio of extensions.